Salute glowing beauties. Today's video is what I use to pre-poo and condition my natural thinning mature hair. This is Sexy Queen Mother of glowing mature hair, skin, and nails. So stick around if you're interested to see how I make this pre-poo treatment. Thank you for subscribing. And those that haven't, please don't forget to. Make sure you like this video. Hit that notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. See you in a minute. I will be using coconut oil and avocado oil. Coconut oil goes deep into the hair follicles and promotes hair growth. And this is why I am using it in my pre-poo treatment. And I'm using avocado oil because it penetrates the hair shaft. And it is rich in vitamin E, which promotes hair growth, and it is an antioxidant. What are the benefits of a pre-poo treatment? It helps to restore extra moisture to the hair. Also, when we pre-poo our hair, it helps to detangle it, which means there will be less hair loss. I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. And this is a extra virgin coconut oil. Okay. And I have so much of this avocado oil, so I don't know how many tablespoons we will get. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm mixing this. See how nice that is? Okay, I've already taken my braids loose. Before you use your pre-poo, make sure you have water. This helps to soften the hair. Okay, so because when the hair is moist, it causes less stress on the hair. So you see the breakage. But this is my very first pre-poo. My very first. I don't have clips, so I have to twist my hair like this, y'all. I chose coconut oil and avocado oil. I use it to make my hair growth oil. And so my hair has grown a lot but it still needs work because it's thin, and I'm on medication. I have a heart condition, so a lot of times medications will cause the hair to break or to thin. But this thinning is hereditary for me. When I was younger, I didn't have it. But all the women in our family, when they get older, their hair, they start to lose their hair around here. But just because something is hereditary, it doesn't mean you have to live with it. We can change things. See how easy that is? That's nice. Last week, you guys didn't see me because I was busy doing a collaboration on my other channel. My other channel is a spiritual witchy channel. If you're interested to see what I have over there, I will put that up there in the cards. Okay, so you see this, the breakage. The last time I did my hair was the last time you guys saw me. And I just been putting a wig or a scarf on my head. But I got to do better, guys. I made my own shampoo bar, and so I am about to wash my hair. But I forgot to tell you guys that you need to cover your hair with a plastic bag for at least 15 to 20 minutes so that your pre-poo can soak into your hair strands. Using pre-poo as conditioner. All right, glowing beauties. We are back to what I use to pre-poo and condition my natural thinning mature hair. I will be using the same treatment for my conditioner as I did for my pre-poo after washing my hair. I am finished conditioning my hair, and so now I'm going to put the plastic bag and the towel on for 15 minutes. Okay, glowing beauties, we are back. It's been 30 minutes. All right, the hair has been nice and saturated with the coconut and avocado oil. This concludes what I use to pre-poo and condition my natural thinning mature hair. Thank you for watching Glowing Beauties. What I use to pre-poo and condition my natural thinning mature hair. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. Remember, Glowing Beauties, your hair, skin, and nails will glow as long as you think so. Until next time.